Today I will show you in detail how our new machines are tested before leaving the factory, especially the head testing and printing. Detailed customer information will be attached on each machine. Let's start now. Firstly, opening the box of new printhead, connecting the head cable. Wait a minute, the head will be installed on the machine, and the other end of head cable will be connected with the headboard. OK. Now both two heads and cables are connected well. Secondly, we need to install the heads on the rack of the printhead of the machine. Then need to fix the printhead by screws. Let me make a statement in advance. All the printheads of the machine is installed well before sending, and there is no need to install by yourself anymore, because of its expensive and no warranty. We normally install it well for customer. Well, thirdly, after the head's installed well, now we insert the head cable to the headboard. Let's plug it in rough. After the printhead testing, we will insert it again carefully. Fourthly, inserting the ink damper to the printhead. It is connected with moisturizer liquid. Red one is specifically used to test the printhead. It isn't the oil ink, so will not cause the head clogging. Now printhead installing is done, we are going to begin the test. Turn on the printer. There is initialization at the first time. Wait a minute. First step, get out of the ink. The printer need to connect it with computer. Open the software. Click load ink means that this liquid need to be injected into the printhead, then will flow into the waste ink box. After pumping the ink, wipe the surface of printhead using cotton swab. OK, now officially start the printhead testing and adjustment. First step, printing a test strip to see if there is clogging in the printhead. If all the channels can be opened, normally there is no problem with the new printhead. After printhead testing, the second step is the correction of vertical direction of both printheads. Printing test strip. Firstly, take a look. If find a little bit of inconsistency in the vertical direction, we can adjust the position of printhead manually. Then we print the test strip again to see the status, the test strip of vertical direction. This time is no problem. After the testing of vertical direction, then is going on the stepping. Same operation, take a look at the test strip of stepping, to see if there is anything need to be adjusted. After adjustment and testing of stepping, it's a test of one-way printing. Same with before, printing a test strip to see the effects. If there is any questions, do the calibration again. After the test of single line printing, is the test of portrait printing, also printing test strip to see the status. Do the adjustment accordingly. Finally do the bidirectional printing test. Same with before, printing test strip to see the status. After all testing done, we will print one picture, then take a look at the printing accuracy and effects. Printing one simple picture. The first printhead is printing the white color, the second color will cover it again by printing varnish. We can know the position and status of different printhead according to the printing effects. By this way, the customer don't need to install and calibrate the printhead by themselves. Well, let's see the effects. Not bad, so the testing is almostly done. At the end, pull out the ink damper used for testing. And sort out the head cable, laying and folding it flat. Then insert the new ink damper into printhead. Total 2 printheads, with 6 ink dampers on it each, insert it one by one. Finally, cove the printheads and headboard with the cap. Then fix them with screws, to protect the printheads. OK, now basically the testing of the whole machine is finished. We will have a piece of paper on each machine. It writes the name of the technician who tested, the model of printer, and all the previous 22 testing items. All the items will be tested one by one, check and signature by the technician.